Uh-oh. I don't like that. Here we are going one big blind. Hey, we get the folds over there. We'll take it. Yeah, I'm going to check back, and then I'm going to be calling a lot of river bets. We'll go showdown. And here we are jamming again. If he folds, then even if we call and we lose, it's not a huge deal. Club? Ooh, jack or 7? That's okay. That's okay. Oh, yeah. I mean, you got to do that, Baker's dozen. If you don't do that, then, you know. Hey, Peanut Flush. Yep. You just stole a pot off of me, sir. Good luck to you as well. Glad to see you in here, pal. Things we said. Alright, we get to see a free flop again. Last time, he lumped with King 7 of diamonds, so it's actually pretty strong off of our stack size. Alright. I'm actually going to be checking this flop back. And this is going to be a call from us. And if we don't get there and he checks, we can bluff small, and we do end up getting there. But it's going to go real small for value. I can't imagine him calling us with much of anything here, right? So we're just going to try to go... We're just going to try to get as much value as we possibly can. We'll take it. I really don't think he was going to call a big bet. So I'm pretty happy with that result. And this one is just going to go in, team. Suited ace 10. Channel it. Channel it, guys. You can call me with King Queen. That's fine. What's up, Troll McGutty Cuddy? How you doing, man? We'll take it.